For reflexive pronomen, you have to write down this table. These are pronomen nominative, simple. Nominative pronomen ish, do, as, that. These are simple pronomen in accusative. Mesh, desh, in, z, s, uns, osh, z, and z. Simple. These are reflexive pronomen in accusative. Reflexive pronomen in accusative that are added when you are using a reflexive verb like treffen, interessier, and that. So, reflexive pronomen in accusative, mich, dich, RZS we use the zish form, uns, euch, and for z and z we use zish. Usually, this zish and this zish are used all the time. These are simple pronomen in dative, mir, ihr, ihm, ihr, ihm, uns, euch, ihnen, ihnen. And these are reflexive pronomen in dative. Mir, dir, RZS form, there is ish, uns, euch, and then last two we are writing zish. Zish is most frequently used, and mish and dish are also used. Write down the table or take a screenshot.
Done, ma'am.
Okay,
1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute.
okay.
Done.
Okay. Written table. All right. Now see what are reflexive pronomen. Reflexive pronomen are certain pronomens that we add in a sentence while we are using a reflexive verb. Reflexive pronomen are used when the object and the subject are the same person. And they are used with reflexive verbs. Like I shown you in your this vocab PDF, there are certain reflexive verbs. With those reflexive verbs, we use reflexive pronomen, and we use reflexive pronomen why? When the object and subject are the same person. For example, I wash myself. So this myself is basically reflexive pronomen in German. Or I help myself. Or she helped herself. Write it down till here. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Most commonly used reflexive are Most commonly used reflexive verbs with pronomens are sich, waschen, means to wash oneself. Sich anziehen, to get dressed. It's like I'm saying I'm getting dressed. So I'm the one who is performing the action and I am the one who's the object here. Till now we have seen subject and object that are different. Reflexive is something where you are the subject or there is only one subject and that is the object. I am dressing up. So I am the one who is dressing up and I am doing the action myself on me. So I am the object as well. Like that. Sich anziehen means to get dressed or to dress up. Sich ausruhen, to rest or to relax. You are the one doing the action for yourself. So you are the one who is object. Sich interessieren für, to be interested in. Sich freuen
मैम वो थर्ड
auf
वाला स्पेलिंग क्या है?
what?
नंबर थर्ड का स्पेलिंग
Ansehen. थर्ड पूछ रहे
थर्ड.
हो?
हाँ थर्ड. हाँ.
Ausruhen. 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 And sich fühlen means to feel. Write it down. These are most commonly used at A2 level.
Done.
Done? Okay. Now see some examples. Zum Beispiel Accusative. Reflexive, for reflexive there is no nominative. We use reflexive in accusative and dative case only. Ich wasche mich. I am washing myself. If I am writing ich wasche, it means I wash. So it is understandable that I must be washing myself. But in German, we waschen is a reflexive word. So we add a reflexive pronomen right after it. So ich wasche mich, like that. Ich interessiere mich für Sport. I am interested myself in sport. I can also say I am interested in sport. So its translation will be Ich interessiere für Sport. But as interessieren is a reflexive verb, I will write Ich interessiere mich für Sport. The pronomen follows the verb. Sie sehen sich an. Dressing up oneself. Dativ. Ich kaufe mir ein neues book. I'm buying myself a new book. I can say I'm buying a new book. But for whom? So mir. Mir is the dative case here. Write it down. Dative you will not see like anywhere at A2 level. You will see in B1 and B2 level. Not used in A2.
मैम आपने जो Z और V लिखा है उसका वो क्या है?
What?
Accusative के ऊपर में Z and B
ZB.
LV है?
Zum Beispiel. Zum Beispiel. For
आप थोड़ा सा
example.
लिख सकते हैं?
Zum Beispiel. For example. Done?
Yes,
Done.
Okay. Clear? Understood this topic? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
so
Okay.